Abhishek Sudhir. This cannot be a stray remark. It cannot be. It cannot be. You go to Hardoi and you equate Mahatma Gandhi with Muhammad Ali Jinnah. You equate the person who has integrated the country, Sardar Patel, with the person who divided the country, Jinnah. And you go on to say that Jinnah contributed greatly to the independence of India. No, it cannot be. It cannot be a stray remark. It cannot be a stray remark, but I'll offer you an opportunity to defend it if you want to. I would only tell you the honorable exit for you in this debate is to apologize for the statement of your leader and probably issue a clarification on his behalf. Yes, please.
Right. Now, there's this gentleman by the name of Swami Prasad Maurya, who is the labor minister in Yogi Adityanath's government. And Swami Prasad Maurya called Muhammad Ali Jinnah a Mahapurush. Dr. Patra should tell us why Swami Prasad Maurya is still a minister. Why has Swami Prasad Maurya not been sacked? Why has Swami Prasad Maurya not apologized? Why doesn't Yogi sack him first? Those who live in glass houses should not throw stones.
So so I understand it completely. No, I understand it completely. The initial argument presented by Abhishek Sudhir is the following. He says to you, Sambit Patra, that we are inspired by you. We follow you. We do whatever you say. In everything you do, we go by the example of the BJP. He says that the BJP leader praised Jinnah, so why shouldn't he? So what we are seeing here is a farcical race among two parties on who will praise Jinnah more. Is that the claim being made by you? 1 second. I'll let Sambit respond. 1 minute. This is the most, I don't know. I don't have an adjective for it.
And he said, Jinnah और मेरी बचपन की प्यार है.
Okay.
He said
so he's not. So you're not going to. So you are going to justify this tonight, right? I'm just saying. All the viewers of Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere watch.
Jaswant Singh wrote a book.
Watch tonight. Watch tonight. The Samajwadi Party says we have done nothing wrong by supporting Jinnah. That's what you're saying. There is no tinge of remorse.
Let Sambit Patra talk.
No, is there an ounce of remorse? Is there a bit of remorse?
Are you the spokesperson?
No, but do you have any remorse?
Or is he the spokesperson?
Do you have remorse?
Let him talk.
But no, he'll talk. But I'm asking you, after that I bring him in. Do you have remorse? Is there remorse?
Who is the spokesperson?
What does mean?
Are you
is there remorse?
Dr. Patra?
Is there remorse? If you're out of expressions, does not form an expression.
Remorse? Let the BJP answer.
But do you have remorse? No, 1 second. Is Akhilesh from the BJP? Do you have remorse?
About Swami Prasad
do you feel remorse?
Let him answer about Swami Prasad.
Do you feel remorse?
No. If Yogi Adityanath
but do you feel any sense of...
He should hold his own minister.
Okay, viewers, no remorse. Please note that. Sambit will now respond. Okay. People will watch this. Samajwadi Party now supports Jinnah and publicly stands by it. All right, Sambit.
Let Sambit Patra talk. Why has
first
Swami
and foremost
Prasad
to your
Maurya
core
not been
question. Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir. I am answering. Allow me. Thank you. Mr. Goswami, to the core question that you had put in this debate, whether this was a slip of tongue, an uncalculated speech by Akhilesh Yadav, or whether it was a calculated move. Of course, appeasement is a well-calculated move as far as Samajwadi Party, Congress and Mr. Owaisi's party is concerned. Remember, yesterday being the National Unity Day, yesterday in fact being the Jayanti of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the man who single-handedly unified India into a Rashtra, into a nation, Mr. Yadav thought that if he does not celebrate Sardar Patel, that would not go in favor of him.
Answer my question.
Of course, he also thought.
Why has Swami Prasad Maurya not been sacked?
Sardar Patel would not be sufficient.
Swami Prasad Maurya not been sacked?
And that's the reason as to why he should also, for appeasing, bring in the name of Jinnah.
Why are you not sacking Swami Prasad Maurya?
Sir, did I shout when you were speaking?
Why are you not sacking that Jinnah lover Swami Prasad Maurya?
Sir, please let's behave like well-behaved spokespersons. Let's not shout over each other, sir. You are an educated person. Please behave like one. one.
Prasad
Please
Maurya.
allow me to complete. I would request
Why is
Mr.
the
Goswami.
Bharatiya Janata
I cannot
Party
deal
not
with these
sacking Swami
people.
Prasad
Those who
Maurya?
are uneducated and those who shout over each other. I cannot
Daddy
tolerate them.
Arnab
Allow
is
me
not
to
going to
complete and
protect
then he
you,
can
baby
shout. at me.
Patra.
Thank you so much.
Daddy Arnab is not going to protect you, baby Patra. Answer me.
No, go to Mullah Mulayam them. No, I know, no. Go to your Toti Chor. He will protect you. Go to your Toti Chor. He will protect you. Now allow me to complete.
Go.
Yes, thank you,
There
Mr.
you
Goswami.
Go, you stand
No,
exposed.
Yeah, there I go.
communal,
Toti Chor, don't
poisonous,
shout. Allow me to
polarizing
complete.
mindset
Mr. Goswami,
is
I believe this
exposed.
Tutu Mame debate
You
is
are
not going to help.
exposed.
This is a very
You
serious
communal
issue.
bigot.
Please, the new spokesperson of
bigoted
Samajwadi
man.
Party,
You
can he allow
prejudiced
others to
man.
speak?
You
Thank you.
prejudiced communal man.
Mr. Goswami, as far as Samajwadi Party
Sambit
is
Patra is
concerned, it's
asking
not for the
others to
first time they
allow
have
him
taken
to
to
speak.
appeasement politics.
Wow.
Remember the Samajwadi Party just before 2019 election. In fact, you talk of remorse. They were in fact patting their back,
When are
saying
you
that, well,
sacking
we
Swami
were the
Prasad
ones who
Maurya?
fired at Ram Bhaktas.
When are
We
you
were the
sacking
ones who
Swami
killed a
Prasad
few hundred
Maurya?
Ram Bhaktas, and if need
Why are you not
be, we
sacking
would be
Swami Prasad
gunning down
Maurya?
more Ram Bhaktas.